Hi everyone, this is Roshni. Welcome back to my another video. Welcome back to my Real Beauty. Today I am going to share with you all how to prepare apple cider vinegar weight loss drink. The beneficial of using apple cider vinegar are stabilize blood sugar level, suppresses appetite, detox the body naturally resulting in natural weight loss. See this. This is apple cider vinegar. The amount of weight you will lose will vary from person to person. For best result, try to combine it with regular exercise and good diet. The only side effects will be stomach irritation and affecting teeth enamel. But if you mix apple cider vinegar with water and drink, you will not any side effects. Thanks a lot. Those who are viewing my video first, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. And also watch the video till the end. So let's start how I have prepared it. First, for making weight loss drink, I have taken apple cider vinegar, cinnamon powder. I have made this powder at home, and ginger. I have peeled it and washed it well. See this. Now I will crush the ginger in mortar and pestle. See this. At first I will pour 1 glass of water in a saucepan. Now I will put the ginger and with a small teaspoon I will put homemade cinnamon powder. Then stir it well and cover and boil it for 5 minutes. See, after 5 minutes it's totally boiled. Now strain it and mix 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. Then mix them very well. Drink it every day in first morning, but consume it a little warm. See how nice it is smelling. Do not ever use salt for your taste enhancement. First apple cider vinegar drink is ready. Second, for making weight loss drink, I have taken apple cider vinegar, green tea bag and honey. Now I will pour 1 glass of water in a saucepan and I will put the green tea bag. Then covered and boiled it for 5 minutes. See, after 5 minutes the green tea is fully extracted. The water color is changed. Now I will mix 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. Then mix them very well. And at last I will mix 1 teaspoon of honey. Next drink is ready. So finally the 2 weight loss drink is ready. Consume this every day in the first morning in lukewarm temperature. But make sure to work out. These 2 drinks and workout will help you to reduce weight fast. Time to wrap up for today. Hope you enjoy the video. If you do so, like the video, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates, because I will share more attractive video with you all. To make sure, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more updates, and always check my description box. Other links of my social handles are given there and other videos link are given there. Follow me for sure. And do try this remedy at your home. Please share your feedback and comment me. Always be well. Take care. Bye.